Hello, this is James Smith at GannAnalysis.net. Today we're looking at the Hang Seng Index. From the high here back in February of 2018, we draw this Gann fan, and we're using a scale of 40 points per week for the 1x1. All the other lines are determined by the scale we chose for the 1x1. So the 2x1 down would be twice that, or 80 points per week, and the 1x2 line would be half of that, or 20 points per week. You notice this one caught the high, and you can see this vertical line here, vertical line, vertical line. That's just where these Gann lines cross the level of the prior swing low. Now, what I want to point out is that a square out, when this happens, often coincides with a turn. So this one gave you a low, this one gave you a low, this one gave you a high. We don't know what this one will give you out here in May of 2026, but we can say that as long as you hold this 1x1, there's still a chance you could go higher into that cycle. But if you close below this, you're probably going down. Maybe you go down here and bounce back and still go higher, but at the very least, on the near-term basis, you don't want to see it close below the 1x1 if you're bullish on this market. You want to see it hold it, okay? So that's what you're looking for. Now, if you notice here, again, the scale is 40 points, the price unit 40 points per week. If you do it on the way down, you should actually draw the same line on the way back up. So let's just do that and see what we get. I'm going to change this to red. Instead of 10, make it 40. Okay, it didn't work for 40. That's well below the market. Let's make it, let's see here. Let's make it 80. All right, well, that's better. That's a 2x1 line. Twice the slope of the 1x1. You can see it sort of caught this support here. Now, if you were to take out this line at around 18,394, the second week of December, then yeah, you'll probably come back here. If you take out that prior low at 16,170, maybe you go down here somewhere. I don't know. But certainly it would be negative if you close below this 2x1 line. So if you take out this line, you go down here. If you take this out, you go down here, and so on. If you bounce off this, hey, maybe you're in business. Maybe you go up again. So you can see it's up, down, up, down. It's forming a nice stair-stepping pattern. You just don't want to see it close below the 1x1 and the 2x1. So that's just a caveat, It's better than forecasting the market, is just let the market tell you what it wants to do. So you watch the Gann lines to see what this market wants to do. And we'll find out pretty soon. We'll know what it wants to do. So because we're testing it right now. So keep an open mind, watch what it does in the next few weeks, and then you'll know. So if this interests you and you want to see more charts, we have a whole flurry of charts on the Hang Seng. You get to see all the levels. You get to see what the possibility is for a move higher or a move lower. You might want to check it out. Go to the website, hit the shop button. Here's the website, www.GannAnalysis.net. Hit the shop button on the upper right corner. Try it out for a month or 3 months and see how you like it. Even if you decide not to take the service, if you like this sort of analysis, give us a like, join us, follow us on social media, and support the channel. Appreciate your thoughts, appreciate any questions you might have, and you can always reach me, James Smith, at GannAnalysis.net. If you have any questions, just shoot me an email. Happy to answer your questions. Thanks a lot for your following this channel, and good luck in your trading.